Hello students, here we are going to discuss about chapter 10th, direct and indirect variation. Direct and indirect variation. As we know, we done in the 7th standard. We done in the 7th standard about direct and indirect variation. Let it be clear, more clear from the example. I am taking one example of direct and indirect. See Rajay, beta, if we are going from Jalalabad to Firozpur, if we are going from Jalalabad to Firozpur, okay, if 20 liter petrol is needed, 20 liter petrol is needed for 20 liter petrol is needed to cover 40 kilometers. One side petrol and one side this is distance. If 20 liter petrol is needed to cover 40 kilometers, what is the amount of petrol, what is the quantity of petrol will be needed, what will be the petrol if distance has to cover 100 kilometers. If distance we have to cover 100 kilometer, what will be the petrol quantity? Petrol, it will be more, it will be less. What about the petrol? Okay, if we are moving 40 kilometers, if distance covered by 20 liter petrols is 40 kilometers, what will be the petrol quantity if distance covered is 100 kilometer? Distance is more, means petrol it will be more, needed more, petrol needed will be more. If distance is more, petrol needed will be more. Both side increase, distance increased, petrol quantity, petrol amount is also increased. This is increase, both sides increase. Either both side increase or both side decrease, then we can say this is direct variation. And how we can say solve? This is our petrol, this side our distance. Petrol, if petrol is 20 liters, then distance is 40 kilometers. If petrol is x, we don't know, but that we know this is more than 20, 40, and this side 100 kilometers. What to do? By cross multiply. If that we know this is direct variation, by cross multiply we will solve. 20 multiplies with the 100, 20 multiply with the 100 is equals to 40 multiplied with the x. To find x, this side 40 is in multiply, when we change its side it will change into division. Clear? Divide by 40. 0 is cancelled with the 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 50s are 100. Value of x is 50. Value of x is 50 means, but we have to find petrol. Petrol means 50 liters petrol, 50 liter petrol will be needed for 100 kilometers. If we have to cover 100 kilometer, means 50 liters petrol is needed. Clear? Suppose same question, I am going to tell you one example. If number of books are given, suppose question is 9 books weight is 900 gram, 9 books weight is 900 gram. How many books weight is 1400 gram. Okay, 9 books weight is 900 gram. How many books weight is 1400 gram? One side write books, one side write weight in grams. Number of books 9. How many books means we have to find? Let it be x. If 9 books weight is 900, and how many books we have to find? Weight is increased, weight is 1400. If 9 books weight 900 means more than 9 books are there now whose weight is 1400. How to solve? This side increased, if this side increase, this side also increase. This is direct variation. And how to solve direct variation? By cross multiply. By cross multiply, 9 multiply with the 1400 is equals to 900 multiply with the x. 9 multiply 1400 divide by this 900 is in multiply, other side it will come in division form, is equals to x. Double zeros cancel with the double zero, 9 ones are 9 ones are, so value of x is equals to 14, means number of books, value of number of books is 14. Clear? See now in the exercise first, question number 5th. Question number 5th in the exercise: to feed a population of 20,000, 800 quintal of wheat is required in a month. One side given population, one side given wheat in quintals. Okay, when population is 20,000, what about wheat? It is 800. If population is increased 30,000, what about wheat? It will increase or decrease. If one side population means number of people, if people 20,000, what about wheat? This is 800. Wheat will be needed, that is 800. If number of people increased from 20,000 to 30,000, what is the amount of wheat will be used? This is more than 800. One side increased, other side also increased. This is direct variation. How to solve? By the cross multiply. CM stands for cross multiply. 20,000 multiply x is equals to 800 multiply 30,000. Now how to find value of x? This 20,000 will be divided in the other side. 800 multiply 30,000 divide by 20,000. 4 zeros cancelled with these 4 zeros. 2 ones are 2, 2 400s are. Value of x 4 3s are 1200. So what about the wheat? This is 1200 quintal. X is 1200 quintals, means wheat for 30,000 people required is 1200. Clear?